Hey there, I want to do another quick review, this time on the stainless steel double edge safety razor. I've had this thing for a couple years now. It's held up great. I've had no issues with it. I really like it. I save so much money using this on top of regular razor blades. It's easy to use. It lasts, for me, I shave probably about 3 times a week. Then I throw a blade out, but this is super easy to use. Get a little bit closer here. So the handle just screws off, and then once that happens, you've got this bottom piece, which, by the way, it comes with several of these bottom plates, which allows it to adjust for closeness of the shave. So it's literally take it off, just slip that down in there on those pegs, and then it's just screw that back on there, and done. So there's your blade on both sides. Really like using this. I've always been a traditional razor guy, but once I switched this, I'm really glad I did. I still use a regular razor to get close under like my nose and some of the spots on my neck, but this takes the brunt of everything, and I save so much money. But so if you're looking to purchase, maybe you're on the fence about getting something like this, would highly suggest getting one. It will save you so much money in the long run. So hopefully this video has helped you out. Appreciate you watching. I'll see you.